The design theme of the new Mazda 6 is mature elegance, and there's three things we did on the front of the car to make the car more mature and elegant. First of all, we improved on the brand expression by giving the signature wing more prominence and making it more three-dimensional. We also moved the mesh more backwards, so overall we have a stronger family face. And secondly, all the elements on the front, so signature wing, headlamps and the chrome parts, the gravity center of them we moved all down, creating a more horizontal and a more stable image. And then last but not least, we improved on the craftsmanship by redesigning the grille mesh, but most of all by redesigning the inside of the lamps, the LED lamps, which now have a really strong light signature, which you will see on all our cars in the future. We also designed two new alloy wheels, a 17 and a 19 inch, and this is the 19 inch, as you can see, with a really deep center and very long straight spokes, creating also the elegant image that we want to achieve for this vehicle. The interior of the new Mazda 6 has been completely redesigned, of course also based on the design theme of mature elegance. And we've done that by reproportioning the instrument panel, by having a dark top area and a lower colored area, flowing really beautiful into the door. Now in this case, the lower colored area is the brown finish. It's a suede-like material, which has a beautiful shine to it, which was inspired by Japanese craftsmanship. All of this underlined with our beautiful satin chrome, making the width of the car even stronger. And last but not least, we have the real wood decoration panel. It's a sandwood from Japan, which has been finished with a dark lacquer. Also, the seats have been completely redesigned. They received a wider and thicker padding for better comfort and posture. And on the leather seats we have a very first for Mazda, which is the ventilated seat system, which of course gives you more comfort when driving in hot climates.